Remember our previous test of the sweeping and mopping robot vacuum? A robot vacuum that can mop your floors is really nice, but not everyone is willing to spend hundreds of dollars more for the mopping function. The Trifo Lucy Pad Edition is one such robot vacuum that is good looking, full of features, and very smart. The packaging of Lucy Pad Edition is still very compact. The way you open the box is very similar to a cell phone. When you open the box, you can see the robot vacuum lying quietly inside. The box contains basic accessories such as charging base and power adapter, as well as a pet hair extractor for hair cleaning, which we will talk about later. First, look at the robot's body. Lucy's appearance looks good. The classic black main color with good trim color looks premium. There are two buttons at the top, and the power on button and the return to base button. And because there is no LiDAR module, the whole body is a cylindrical shape without any bump. The benefit is, naturally, that it lowers the height of the robot vacuum, allowing it to enter a shorter space. Lucy's navigation solution uses what I think is the best solution for robot vacuum navigation so far. Dual camera systems, which has a 1080p HDR color camera and a TOF depth camera. 1080p color camera is responsible for recording color and environment information, which is passed to the AI to calculate whether there are obstacles ahead. The TOF depth camera provides depth information to improve the accuracy of the AI recognition in low light conditions. As anyone who has used the robot vacuum knows, LiDAR is very poor at recognizing small objects, and dual camera system can greatly improve the robot vacuum's ability to recognize small objects. Your slippers and socks, your children's toys will no longer be pushed around by the robot vacuum. It can be said that robot vacuum equipped with dual camera system is definitely smarter than a robot vacuum with other navigation methods. But even the most intelligent robot, there are times when mistakes are made. Lucy is equipped with a collision system, so even if the AI vision calculation fails, it can successfully avoid obstacles through a collision. Lucy Pad Edition can provide up to 4,000 paw power suction, and since it has Pet Edition in its name, it must have some special features designed for pets. The pet hair extractor that we just mentioned in unboxing is actually an extractor designed specifically for pets or hair. Regular extractor can easily curl up the hair and the cleaning ability is reduced, which also causes you to have a hard time cleaning it. Pet hair extractor does not have this problem at all. Perfect for users who have pets. Another interesting design is that Lucy is equipped with a microphone and a speaker. If you download the Trifo Home app, you will be able to do this. You can use your phone to control the direction of robot vacuum and talk to people or pets at home. The feature of turning the robot vacuum into a remote toy car with camera and speaker is very interesting. I like it. Trifo not only wants to make Lucy a remote toy car, but also wants to make it a surveillance camera. Because Lucy has day and night vision, it can really guard your home 24 hours, 7 days a week. Once it finds an object in motion, it will send you a warning. So you can save another amount of money to buy a security camera. The Lucy Pad Edition, like many other robot vacuums, can be controlled via the app, which has all the features you need to model your home and set the no-go zone. You can also manually control the robot vacuum to clean the corresponding area, which your kids should like. It can be connected with Alexa. You can make Alexa start or stop Lucy. About its battery life, it has 5,200 mAh battery. It can run continuously for 120 minutes. Plus, it will automatically go back to the charging base to charge when it runs out of power. So you don't need to worry about the battery life. Of course, Lucy is not perfect. For example, its beautiful appearance is easy to absorb dust because of static electricity. For example, when you use it as a remote control toy car, although the control delay is still very low, but still can feel the obvious video delay. But these are not big problems. I think the biggest advantage of the Lucy is that it uses the dual camera system navigation solution. This navigation solution is very rare at any price point. so it won't be consistently bumping around between furniture and scratching them all up. When you look at the smart robot vacuum, you will feel that this is the robot vacuum that we need. A robot vacuum that you can really trust to clean your house. Well, that's all there is in this video, so you can give us a thumbs up and leave a comment if you like this video. It helps a lot. I'm James, and I'll see you in the next time.